New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. All right, as we can see based on daily chart, and we see the price is still maintain the up move. Now the question is how high it can go, and we consider this is the start of the up move, or still we can look for one move down based on what we analyzed in my last video, because we mentioned that if we consider this is the only correction we have, I mean within the channel, and this one is finished, and now this is the start of the up move. Okay, in that case that means we consider this one is start up move, and we shouldn't expect any down move. That means the price can continue. The another option which we had it, well, we put this one here, and we said maybe we are still within the bigger channel, but from what we have right now, because the price move a bit higher, now the question is whether still we can consider this as a channel or not. Okay, because this one really move high, is like become expanding. This one become as like expand, is not a channel, expanding flat. Okay, anyway, we don't need to rely on all these things. This is what we explained in my last video. And now the only things we want to know, whether this is the start of the up move or the price still can drop. And as I explained in my last video, any down move, it can give us a really good trade in terms of the risk and reward. And as we can see, the way the market is moving, if we show based on lower time frame or the buy, it give us is like move in terms of the corrective. In terms of the risk and reward, may doesn't give us a really good trade if you want to trade long term, not the short term. Anyway, now the question is whether we still we can look for the down move or not. The price can keep moving up. Okay, if we move to lower time frame based on 4-hour chart, as we can see here, this is what we have it. The price was moving within this range. Okay, and if we want to look for the trade setup, how we can trade it, okay, as we can see, we have the correction and move up, and that's why when we have this kind of the correction, we are more interested in the down move. Now I want to explain why. Because if we consider this to top, and if we refer to the first indicator, we see the divergence. The second one is showing that is losing the momentum. Okay, that's why from what we have, we can expect anytime price sharply can drop, and this is if we get that. This is what we are interested. Okay, but the question is whether we will get or not, because the way the market is moving. And from what 4-hour chart, we don't have any trade setup, and no, I cannot say whether we should buy or sell. Okay, in this case we move to lower time frame based on 4-hour chart. What I can say from what we have right now, when the market open, what we have, if we get similar this moves repeat, still we can look for buy, and any buy we consider as a short-term buy. That means as long as we get into the profit, we need to start to manage it. As we can see here, all the way we have it. We have one here, one correction. Okay, that means if the market open, what we have here, we get similar to any of this, still we can look for buy, but any buy we consider as a short-term buy. That means as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage our trade. How about the 1-hour chart? We want to refer to indicators. As you can see the price, keep giving us a divergence. And how about the MACD? Similar. Okay, that means again any buy, still the price can move higher with a small correction similar to what we have here. Any buy we consider as a short-term buy if we get this another correction here when the market opens similar to this. Any buy will be short-term buy. But from what we have right now, we are looking for sell. That means any sell setup, if we get, we take it. And from what we have right now, we don't have any sell setup. What I can say from here, or with the price move higher, any sharp move down, correction, a small flag, we can look for sell. If I move to higher time frame, okay, and if we get any sell, as long as the price come to this level, it depends, we need to start to manage it. Because again, can we expect the price drop, we get similar to what we have here, we get this correction in relative to this for the next move up? Yes, we have that possibility. That's why if we get any sell, I put my line here. It depends where we get here, where we get the sell, whether from here or higher. If we get from here, I said what we want, sharp move, a small flag, sell. As long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage. If we see there is a continuation, we keep and that times the next level will be here. If we see the price come to this level, is not moving, we take out the trade. Okay, how about if the price move a bit higher? Then from there, if we get any sell, we don't need to wait the price come to this level. We need to see how high it can go and where we need to start to manage it, because of the possibility of what we have here. That means we can expect better price from here or higher. We drop, we get this correction before next move up. But as I see, we are more interested in the sell, and if we get the sell, we will, hopefully the sell can drop, at least come to this level, and then from there we move to, if we move to higher time frame, what we want, whether this one the sell, if we get, can continue and come to this level or not. If we put our trend line here, whether the price can come and take this trend line or not. Okay, this is what we want. If we look for sell, we expect the price can come to this line. Okay, this is where we put it. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and we just follow the market. When the market open, we see how this chart can behave. Then from there we see whether we can get the sell setup, or still the possibility of the price can move higher in terms of the corrective or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.